Earth moving and welding training courses. About the company: we are a leading company in modern and practical training, development, and consulting services for construction, welding and earth moving machines. We offer unparalleled expertise and support to private and public companies looking to grow and succeed in today's fast-paced business environment. Excavator, TLB, grader, ADT dump truck, front-end loader, crane operators training school. 0731582436 Sasolburg, Pietermaritzburg, Klerksdorp, Bethal, East London. Forklift training in Carletonville. Excavator rigging, bulldozer, tractor load, backhoe, TLB, +27731582436 Forklift training in Carletonville. Excavator rigging, bulldozer, tractor load, backhoe, TLB, forklift training in Carletonville. Forklift training in Carletonville, excavator training in Carletonville, rigging training in Carletonville, bulldozer training in Carletonville, tractor load, backhoe, TLB, training in Carletonville with the best operator school in South Africa. With the most affordable prices in Carletonville for the refresher on-site and off-site license courses that are accredited by TATA and SETA. Book Our Forklift Training in Carletonville below in to start your today.